Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Well, welcome back everyone to the Monster Jam OC review video. Today is quite a special video and I want to thank my friends over at Feld and Monster Jam for sending in this truck for review. I cannot wait to unbox this. I think it's a very exciting piece and possibly one of the most exclusive pieces that will ever cross my review table. Today you're looking at right now the World Finals 20 truck, and as you know, if you have been collecting for a long time, the World Finals commemorative trucks are released every single year since 2009 or World Finals 10 when Hot Wheels started them, and now we're all the way up to World Finals 21, which I'll talk about in a second. But last year, in 2019, we got the first ever Spin Master edition of a World Finals truck for the 20th World Finals, which was also the first ever World Finals hosted in Orlando, Florida, outside of Vegas. So it was a kind of like a dual exclusive, really, getting the first ever Orlando truck based World Finals truck and the first ever Spin Master commemorative World Finals truck. So this was a really cool one. I loved the pickup truck style body. I loved the alligator, the sunset theme with the palm trees. It was a really darker color one, and this year's you'll see is a little more of a bright sunset color, but this one I liked the colors. I liked the pickup truck style, and it was really cool to see this truck in person. They did have a real truck of this body in person. It did the truck parade and all that, and it was made to commemorate the 20th World Finals, May 10th through 11th, 2019 in Orlando, Florida. So this was number 20, and as we know right now in the world, at the time of filming this video, we are currently in a pandemic due to COVID-19. And due to that circumstance, they had to actually cancel World Finals 21. And I have not really spoken about this publicly. One, because I was expecting this to happen with the massive amounts of shutdowns and lockdowns, stay-at-home orders, quarantining, all of that stuff, and mass events also being canceled. I saw this happening. I saw World Finals 21 starting to move onto the cut list, and unfortunately, it was cut from the list of shows this year. It's too big of a show to reschedule, so they did have to unfortunately cancel World Finals 21. This is the first time we are ever witnessing a cancellation of a World Finals event, and people were asking, collectors specifically, but other people too, and even kids on my channel, were asking me if they are making a World Finals 21 truck. Unfortunately, I couldn't answer that question without approval, and today I do have that approval to tell you guys that if you're watching this video, obviously, they did produce a World Finals 21 commemorative truck, and this is for the event that never happened. So they will be selling these. You guys will be able to purchase these on the Monster Jam Superstore. It depends when this video gets uploaded. It could already be back open, but at the current time of filming this on May 8th, the Monster Jam Superstore is still currently closed, but it will be reopening on Monday, May 11th. So I'm not sure when this video will be up, but the Superstore should be carrying these trucks pretty soon after their reopening. And this is the design for the canceled World Finals 21. Now, I also had questions from people asking if World Finals 21 will be redone in 2021 to match the year, or if they're going to skip ahead to World Finals 22. I don't know that answer yet. I personally think they should still do World Finals 21, but change the design of the truck so that we have this exclusive look that would have debuted at Orlando for 2020. And whatever city they go to next year, if they decide to move from Orlando since they didn't do the second year, they can do a new design on an SUV or a different style body. But I think they should definitely do 21 and change up the design so that we have this exclusive canceled World Finals truck to have in our collections as basically a really historic piece. I'll stop talking about the actual historical value and show you guys the truck because this is the main focus of the review. I will open this in just a moment, but I want to kind of savor the last moments of it being on card because I only have one of these to review. And again, like I mentioned, it will be on the Superstore soon, so please keep an eye out. Here's the back of the packaging. You can see it's got this sunset theme, just a beautiful card. We have World Finals 21, one of up to 5,000 units produced, limited edition. And you can see there is the render of the truck right there with the white rims and red beadlocks. That would have been a nice truck to see, but unfortunately, Again, due to the circumstances, we did not get to see that body debut. So there it is, and then there is the quote there if you guys want to pause and read it. Basically just talks about World Finals 21, which again did not happen, but that was the plan. And I'm not sure why this one doesn't have it, but the Superstore is not advertised on this one this time, which is usually a thing they do, but not on this specific truck. And then the front of the card has the Monster World Finals logo with the sunset theme, limited edition 1 of 5,000. The unboxing of the World Finals 21 truck, the canceled World Finals, hopefully the only one in history. So here we go. Okay, here it is, the World Finals 21 commemorative truck. It almost feels like it's wrong to unbox this truck because it's been canceled, but there it is, the Orlando insert card, and here is the World Finals 21 truck. Let's check out the side panel. As you can see here, it says the Roman numerals for 21XXI, Orlando 2020. We have the Monster World Finals logo there, very similar to that of last year's where they had the Monster World Finals and then the numbers next to it. It's reversed this way, but it is there again. Orlando, Florida, in a more solid font than cursive. Last year was cursive, this year's is solid. And you have this sunset theme that runs across the body into a bright white color. The palm trees in red, the buildings are also in red. I'm assuming that's the city of Orlando. And then you got some nice streaking of the orange here. And then the front is in pure white. The one thing I don't like about the truck is that they did not include headlights. I'm not sure why that is. On the actual rendering, I think, let me check real quick. Yes, it does have headlights. So I would have liked them to have headlights on here since it is an exclusive truck, but I guess it just slipped by. They did continue, however, the palm trees on the grille. So they did print that down. They kind of wrapped that down, which is really nice. And then there is the Monster World Finals 21 logo itself with a bright yellow color, the top of the palm trees, gray windshield, the roof here with 21 in Roman numerals, and then 2020 on the roof there from a red gradient to yellow for the outline. And on this side, same stuff going on, just reversed. I think actually this looks like Camping World Stadium to me. And this side, oh, it's a split paint job. That's pretty cool. So this side's the city of Orlando, and this side is Camping World Stadium right here. If we look on the packaging one more time, the front of the packaging, I didn't notice this because the truck was in the way. The front of the packaging is Orlando right there. So that's this side, or no, this side. So the side you see in the truck here is matching the packaging where you see it from. And then on the back side is the Camping World, the Camping World Stadium silhouette, but you can kind of see the words there on the packaging. So really cool attention to detail with the packaging matching the truck itself. So there's Camping World Stadium here and here on this side panel of the truck. So it's a split paint job, which is really nice. And then on the tailgate, it says Camping World Stadium, monsterjam.com, with the palm trees and the dark red colors coming to an end at the back in a maroon color. The BKTs are in maroon with a red beadlock, gold rims, white tires, and gray treads, which is very similar to the color last year, but a little darker, or maybe the same color because the tires are darker gray, but we have the same color treads, but different color tires for this year, same color rims. So I honestly do like this one much better than last year's World Finals truck. And this truck also has a black roll cage with a chrome chassis. So there it is, the World Finals 21 truck. And like I mentioned, hopefully this is the only time we'll ever have to witness a World Finals canceled. This truck holds significant historical value. I think that a lot of collectors will jump at the opportunity to own one of these. I really highly recommend picking one up if you guys want to start a collection that's worth a lot of money. If you're looking for value in a collection, something like this, which you'll probably never see again happen, hopefully, you guys should definitely jump on the opportunity. So if you guys want to check it out, it will be on the Monster Jam Superstore very soon. And there's only 5,000 out there in the world. So if you guys want one or two, or however many you guys want, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you to Monster Jam again, my friends there, for sending this in for a review. I really appreciate it. This truck is so nice, and I'm really bummed out that we didn't get to see the real one. So hopefully next year we will have a World Finals 21 or 22 hosted, and we'll have a brand new concept for that year. I can't wait to see what they come out with next. And I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan of Monster Jam OCD, signing out.